Hi art friends, today we are going to draw a bee balloon.
Here's a quick preview of how our drawings look at the very end. We hope you're excited to follow along with us. This is a fun lesson where we're combining a bee and a balloon. So what should we call it?
A Beelloon.
A Beelloon. Yeah, I like that. We're using our gel crayons to color with, but you can use whatever you have, like regular crayons or even oil pastels. You ready to start?
Yes.
First, let's start with our yellow crayon and we're gonna draw a circle. We're gonna draw it pretty big too, but I'm also gonna draw it towards the top. So I'm gonna start up here and then we'll draw it curving around and connecting where we started. Nice job, that's a really good circle.
Thank you.
Okay, now we're gonna color in our circle solid with our yellow crayon. This part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video so that you can take time to color your circle. Okay, we got our circle colored in solid, and now we need to turn it into a balloon. So we should use another shape.
Triangle.
Yeah, for the bottom, the part where you blow in and then tie it into a knot. So we got a little triangle shape, and then we can color that in too. Well, I like how big you drew. Yeah, that's good. I like it. Okay, now we're ready to switch to our black crayon. Sometimes when we're using crayons, I call these markers, and that's just on accident. So if I ever do that, just ignore it.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna use our black crayon to turn our balloon into a bee. First, let's start with the mouth. We're gonna draw a happy little mouth in the middle, and then we can draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw a circle on the left, and then we can color it in too. And then I'm gonna draw that same circle on the right. Okay, it's just a happy balloon now. So let's give it stripes. We're gonna start here on the left side, and we could draw a curve that comes over to the other side. Then let's draw another curve right below it. And then let's do one more curve down here, close to the bottom. Okay, now let's color in. We're gonna color in this stripe. So in between these two lines, color it in. Then we're gonna leave this stripe yellow, and then we'll also color below this last line down here. This part will fast forward again because it might take us a minute to color these in. So remember to pause the video. Let's also, while we have our black crayon, let's draw a circle, a trace over the outside of our balloon. This will just make it stand out more. And also practice drawing a circle. Nice job. It's fun using these crayons.
I know, this is the first time I've used them in a video.
They're really smooth. And then let's also give our Beelloon some antenna. So we got two little curves coming out of the top, and we could also add a little circle or oval at the end. And we also need to draw the string down here. Let's draw it curving off to the side. Oh, it looks like it's flying in a loop. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, what's our bee missing?
Wings.
Yeah, let's switch to our light blue first, and we're gonna draw two little loops. I like this because it looks like the letter B for bee. And then let's color that in. You could also add wings, one wing here and then another wing over there, but I like turning it into a B, letter B. And then once you color it in, you can switch to your dark blue, and then we can outline it just like we did with the black, or you could outline it with the black if you want. Oh, and you also need to give your bee pink cheeks and eyelashes. And we did it! We finished coloring and drawing our little balloon, and it turned out awesome. Yours is really cute with the pink cheeks and the eyelashes.
Oh, thanks. I love yours too.
Ah, and I love that we added little stars. Our friends, you guys can add different things to the background. Oh, maybe more balloons.
Yeah, baby balloons.
Yeah, little ones.
We hope you had fun drawing a balloon.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.